practicing the Warm Fuzzy song, and I want us to be able to sing it loud, but not shout it out, okay? I want us to sing it like this. Let's all sing together. Oh, Warm Fuzzy, oh, Warm Fuzzy, there's nothing in the world like the Warm Fuzzy. Oh, Warm Fuzzy, oh, Warm Fuzzy, there's nothing like the Warm Fuzzy. You guys can sing like it now. Let's do it again. Ready? Oh, welcome to another amazing presentation of the Colton Elementary Muppeteers. At the count of 3, I want you to shout, "Come out, Jack and Bob." Are you ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. And another thing, Harold Pieselbaum, you're nothing but a dirty, smelly, rotten fish face. That's what you are.
Hey!
Oh, sorry, Jack, I didn't see you there.
That's all right, but what in the world was all that fish face stuff? It's not like you to talk that way.
Oh, you heard.
It would have been pretty hard not to. You were pretty loud, Bob.
Well, I'm not surprised. I was pretty mad, you know.
I'll bet. What was it all about?
Oh, I loaned my best skateboard to Harold Pieselbaum, and he left it out in the rain, and now it's all warped. And I sure told him off, too. That'll teach him to mess with me, won't it, Jack?
Well, maybe, but I'm afraid it may teach him things about you that you don't want him to think.
Now, wait a minute. I'm going to ask the kids. Kids, if you think I did a wrong thing, then at the count of 3, I want you to say, "You made a mistake, Bob." Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. The kids agree with you, Jack. So what did Harold learn about me that I don't want him to be thinking?
He learned that when you get angry, you are just full of cold pricklies.
Oh.
Yeah, and knowing Harold, I'm sure he felt bad enough about the skateboard without being called names.
You're right. He apologized all over the place. I guess saying all those cold pricklies didn't really do any good at all, did it?
No. Do you remember what Dr. Thrower, Mr. V, your teacher, and the other kids say about how we should treat each other here at Colton Elementary?
Uh-huh. We should treat them the way we would want them to treat us.
Is that what you did? Would you want Harold to call you a name if you made a mistake?
No. I'd hope he'd forgive me and give me another chance.
Now I'm afraid you're the one who needs forgiveness.
You're right again, Jack. If I don't want any cold pricklies in school, I need to start with myself. If I don't want people to use cold pricklies on me, then I have to make sure that I don't use any cold pricklies on them. I have to make sure that nothing but warm fuzzies come out of my mouth.
Otherwise, you're not much good for the class team, are you?
I guess I'm not. Hey, Jack, let's sing the Warm Fuzzy song.
I was hoping you'd say that, but I don't want us singing all by ourselves when most of the kids out there know that song as well as we do. Kids, if you are willing to sing along with us loudly, and I mean loudly, let us know at the count of 3 by yelling, "Yahoo!" Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Remember, we want you to sing so loud they can hear you all the way down at the Colton Market. Okay, Maestro, take it away. about you. If you are angry with one of your classroom team members, please don't throw a cold prickly at him. Just politely say how you feel and tell him what you'd like him to do about it. He's not going to want to do anything to make you feel better if you give him a cold prickly. So at the count of 3, I want you to yell, "No more cold pricklies." Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Can you read it? If you do, at the count of 3, I want you to say, "Warm fuzzies or nothing." Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, kids, that's all for this assembly. Be sure to give plenty of warm fuzzies to your classroom team members. And remember, you're the only kid like you in the whole world. And that makes you special. Give yourself a big hug. You deserve it.
Now line up. Okay, when I call your name, take a step forward and take a bow. James Gillette. Let's give him a round of applause. Alex Fitz.